Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel SE38. We are back again with a new tech video, cutting edge SAP technology and ABAP things. Everyone be careful of Omicron, everywhere is there. So we are recovering, but be careful, very high time. Today we'll talk about a few things that SAP can fix it. It's a kind of funny rant, but when we go ahead, you will be seeing that these things you have seen in your life and you have not thought that SAP can eliminate this. So I'll just raise the points. I won't suggest them to do it because I'm no person to judge that. But if you think so, you can go ahead. This is just for reference. You guys see it on daily basis, but I will show you focusing exactly what are the things that they can do. These are silly things. This you will be also able to find it in many of the developments. The first one, when you make a table or when you activate a table, you see warning, enhancement category. Every time they will suggest this enhancement category, how much you can enhance. So there are 5 options. There is one do not, and one is all enhancing, and there are 3 more, I forgot them. But it's none of the times it's some enhancement category selected. Every time there's a warning that says you should select an enhancement category. SAP can easily select this, give any default one, and let the activation happen. You don't need to go back and do this again. This is something they can do it to make the time a utility. This is one thing I want to say up loud. The prompt for selecting the transport, so much unnecessary data is present on it. If you see, the system name has the transport number. The transport number is just a number, it's not a utility. Ideally, people trace their transports by the description. So the description is cut because now solution manager and all other auxiliary systems are there. We need to maintain a quite long text. So if the text would have taken earlier position, like after the transport, the text is there, it will be utilizing. Username is not a utilizing parameter. Or maybe we don't need the transport itself, only the description, then the username, then the transport. Maybe transport could be secondary, but the first is description, which is important. This pop-up, we need to do a lot of research, go to SE01 and select. This is one thing they can fix it all the way. I don't know, they have some other reason, maybe, not sure, but I see it as useless. When you open SE11, you see the select radio button on database table. Ideally, who are used to with the keyboard settings, not much with this mouse, we do tab and go to other things, view, data type, type group, or anything. If you go by tab, the radio button won't change. If you do write some data type name and try to display, it won't work because the radio button is already there. So I think SAP can do if there's a tab movement, the radio button should also be changed. This can be done. This makes lot time saving effort. You just put a tab, go to view, put another tab, goes to data type. The radio button changes. We can write and do display, change, create, whatever we wish. It makes the mouse effort non-utilizing because tab does whatever we need. So that is sufficient, I guess. Have you seen the screen? This is on the table maintenance generator. When you create a TMG and put a transport against it, you are creating one transport and you have to specify the view name and update. So when you are creating under a project hierarchy, many of the things like this also, many of the things you need to explicitly mention the view name. Sometimes we have to create a transaction under a report structure. Under a transport, there is one report, but the SE93 screen doesn't use that report. It waits until you give a report explicitly. I think this also SAP can fix it. It can suggest the MVP, minimal viable product, which is the nearest, which is a report or which is a view. Here it's a view. So it can suggest the first Z view that's present on the transport. That makes the job easier. You can just change if you need, you can change it. So that's also easy. I guess these are the basic things that I see SAP can change in any moment of time, but they didn't change. So this is something you all, I guess, will be observing I was seeing one more point. The old SDN links were not activated, or they were not moved to answer.sap.com. Now those are moved. So that question I had in mind is solved now. But these are the main ones. If your thinking is also matching with me, please do let me know, and also let me know if you have some other point to raise that SAP can fix some more. So if you like the video, you can subscribe our channel and like this video, and maybe share with your developer friends, and you can subscribe our channel. So this was for today. We'll see you on the next video. Until then, bye bye.